how to spot a red flag. Okay, ako na lang po ang magbabasa ng kanyang question. Okay, this is for Direk Dwayne. This is for you. Sorry, I keep on surprising you, no? All right, Direk Dwayne, what does this project have to offer that makes it different from those that they have done in the past?
Syempre, ito yata yung matagal nang inaabangan ng buong fandom na very light lang siya, romantic comedy. So, para siyang breath of fresh air talaga para sa ating mga nakaabang. And I think ibang-iba from dun sa jump off ng Don Bell coming from this. So, exciting siya for all of us. Sa akin din. Yon.
Feel na nga po namin yung pagka-light and pagka-romcom ngayon pa lang na MediaCon pa lang. Thank you very much po for answering. Now let's go to our next question from Daily Tribune. Yes, I'll be reading it. If you could describe your character in 3 words, what would they be and why? So this is for everyone. Describe your character in 3 words. Kira, maybe you can start this one. Hi, Kira!
Uy,
diba
dito ko pala, Kira. Joke lang.
Nanggugulat tayo today.
3 words to describe my character. I would
Yes.
say that she's loving, she's selfless, and I think she's religious. Ayun.
Can you tell us why? Bakit yun yung mga napili mo? And describe to us a little bit kung sino ba yung character mo.
Consult muna kay Derek, ano? Pwede. I play the role of Christine. Si Christine po ay, gaya po ng sinabi ko, she's very religious. She's very driven by her faith, which leads her to become a missionary. So, abangan po natin kung saan siya magmi-missionary. Ayun.
Thank you very much, Kira.
Ay, alam niyo na ba? Oh my gosh, Eme! Ayan, sunuganda. Alam niyo pala, sorry.
Thank you. Okay, near 3 words, please. Oo, sabi ni Daily Tribune.
Okay. Siguro sa akin is straight. Hi! Kami lang. Bubbly. Yes, para sa mga bubblies natin dyan. Tapos, bestie and sulsol sa best friend. Yes, no matter what.
Aabangan namin ang mga sulsul mo na yan. Okay, Jameson, how about you?
Brotherhood, waves, and playtime.
Ano yon?
Ay,
Scammer? Oo nga naman.
scammer.
Scammer. Gusto ko yung kayo na yung nag-suggest. Kasi nga, napanood nyo na. Good job! Alright, let's go to Sir Christian.
Ano siya, disciplinarian, business-minded, and cute.
I love it. May bali.
Pwede ba? Nakakapag mo isip eh.
Bagay naman po talaga. Tama naman po. Thank you, Sir Christian. Sir Benji?
Loving, overprotective, guwapo.
Oh, hindi na kailangan explain yon. Tama naman. Opo. Miss Angel?
Ako? Ano ba ako? Son? Oh! Oh! Maganda daw, sabi ng anak ko eh. Baduy nyo ah. Pretty lang kayo, sa kanya magandang-maganda. Oh. Anyway, no. Very loving, supportive, and clingy. Di ba no? Ang clingy ng nanay mo. Ayun.
Thank you, Miss Angel. Miss Mylene?
Gandang-ganda sa sarili. Mas lalong nagandahan sa sarili. Loving mother, very, ano ba to? Family-oriented and handsome. Family-oriented at saka very sporty. Tamad din ako maglaba. Yung mga damit ko dito ko konti lang.
Thank you very much, Miss Mylene. And of course, we go to Don Bell. Who would like to go first?
Yun nga, pupunta pa lang tayo doon. Wait lang. And then, ano muna, family-oriented si Cha. Wait lang, wala nang bilangan ng words to. Ang hirap naman po ng 3 words.
Go.
Family-oriented si Cha. matulungin siya sa family niya. So, family-oriented siya. Second is, passionate siya sa kung anong gusto niyang gawin. Sa cafe niya, ayan, sa pagtulong ng parents niya. Minsan, passionate din siya sa love. Nasobrahan. Yun nga po, going there, marupok. So, yun. Yun po si Cha.
Thank you, Belle. Donnie.
Si Matt naman. Bright. He's a very bright guy. Charming. And loving.
Parang ikaw lang din pala, Donnie. Okay, thank you. And now we have, of course, the one and only Mr. MJ Felipe in the house. Palakpakan po natin!
Wala siyang mic.
Ito na po, may express delivery tayo ng mic. There you go.
No, magti-TV Patrol na kasi ko, ihahabol ko na to. Nakakabata Mylene, Angel ha. Yung mga sagot ninyo, yung mga energy ninyo, grabe. Pero Belle, I saw the first episode. I made sure that I watched the first episode bago ako pumunta dito. So, hindi mo natapos yung line mo. Mas cute ka sa Diba? Kaya mo bang sabihin sa harap ni Donnie ngayon yan?
So, yung line kong yun? Gagawin ko, sige, gagawin ko. Nalaglag lang, ma. Sorry po, ma. Magpapakatino na po ako, ma. Mas cute ka sa Ayan na. Hindi ko tutuloy.
Hindi mo matuloy.
Hindi ko tutuloy. Panoorin niyo.
Okay. Natuwa ako doon sa mga behind the scene kwentos nila Mylene, nila Angel, ni Benji, and ni Christian. Ang gusto kong malaman, Donnie and Belle, yung mga pakilig nyo ba, yung mga tinginan, yung mga eksenang nakakilig, nire-rehearse nyo po ba yun o natural na? With all honesty yan Donnie and Belle with all honesty. Nire-rehearse nyo pa yun o talagang hindi na?
Yung kilig, hindi nare-rehearse yun, syempre. Pero, hindi, kasi, to be honest, dati, nung nag-start pa kami, hindi namin pa nagigets yung emotions ng isa't isa, yung ibibigay ng isang character sa isang eksena, how we'll give and take. But, after working with each other, I think for this specific series, yes, we would rehearse yung lines and stuff, or yung actions for the most part. But, ang ginawa namin, and Direk also really allowed us to have this free spaces. Whatever happens na lang sa eksena, yun na lang yung mangyari. Kasi, kung masyado mong i-rehearse yung kilig, tsaka yung mga tingin, hindi na magiging natural. So, ayun, parang mas nafe-feel na lang namin yung scene. We're just being in that scene,
In the
being in that
moment.
character, yes.
So yung napapanood namin, natural na yun?
Yes. Sana. I think, kasi you can't fake it Hindi mo naman pwedeng ipeke yung kilig, di ba? So, yeah, totoo. Kinikilig ako sa scenes namin. So, di ba? And, yeah, we do rehearse yung actions, yung lines namin. But then, I think, what makes it natural is that what we react paano kami mag-react sa isa't isa. Yes.
Yung, last na lang po, yung kilig kasi, hindi yun na-fake di ba? Talagang natural yon. So may something ba kaya natural?
Hindi, syempre kami ni Belle, sobrang genuine lang namin sa isa't isa. So, lahat ng pinapakita namin, syempre, nafe-feel talaga namin yun. Naka-episode 1 and 2 pa lang tayo, so marami pang pagdadaanan si Matt and Cha. So, get ready for the more kilig scenes and the more light scenes.
Alam kong hindi ka naglalay kasi hindi namumula ilong mo.
Tama.
Di ba? Nanood ako,
napanood.
Nanood talaga ako. Belle, ikaw, your answer to that.
Giniginaw po ako. I'm just really happy that I get to do this with him, and I'm grateful that I have him in my life. Yeah.
Wow! Wala, uwian na. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you, Belle.
Thank you, Sir MJ Felipe. Ang saya naman nun. Alam niyo, habang sumasagot kayo, nagtutulakan si Esnir tsaka si Jameson doon sa sobrang kilig. Oo. Alright, now let's go to our next question. This is coming from Metro Style. What did you find most exciting about the series the moment you found out about it? Who would like to answer? Esnir, go daw.